Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, NexTutorial, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you the steps on how to format and reset your Alienware M16. This gaming laptop is made by Dell. It's going to be a very similar way to reset Dell laptops. It's going to be an extra step that you would need to do to get to the recovery screen, and I will show you how to do it. The very first thing you will need to do is turn off the laptop. Then we're gonna have to press a couple keys to get to the recovery screen. I'm gonna show you in this video, and let's get to it. You can go ahead and press the power button. Then you want to slide down the screen to turn it off. Once the laptop is completely turned off, there are two keys you would need to do and press to reset it. So press the power key, then you want to press the F12 key as soon as you power it on. Keep tapping the F12 key. Then once you see the computer's loading up, you want to release the F12 key. Once you get to this screen right here, as you see on the bottom left, it's going to say support assessed OS recovery, and that's what we are going to select. Once you select this, you want to double click it on the mouse. Then it should take you to, it's going to restart, then it will take you to the next menu. Once we get to this screen, this is exactly where we want to be. You want to scroll to the right corner, the three dots, click on that. Then it's going to give you some options. Then you want to select Windows Recovery. Double click, the laptop will restart. Then it will take us to the recovery screen, where we're going to be able to reset and delete everything on this laptop. Here we are. We got to this familiar screen that you've seen before in resets. You want to select the troubleshoot option, the very first one where it says reset this PC. Double click. Then you'll get a couple options where keep your files or remove everything. I'm just going to go with the remove everything. We're going to go with local install, and that basically is going to use the software from the laptop itself. So that will take a couple seconds. Then you will get to this screen right here. You can read it and see which option suits you best. I'm going to go with the first option on top. I'm going to double click. Then it will take us to the next screen right here. Now it will say fully clean or you want to keep your files. I will go with the second option. This will take a couple seconds to load. Then it'll get you to this last menu. On the left, it will tell you exactly what's going to be erased and what's going to be done. When you are ready, you can go ahead and click reset. Then it will start the reset process. This is it, guys. This is the end of my video for the day. If you've found this tutorial helpful to you, don't forget to like and subscribe and share my videos with your friends and family. And thank you guys for watching. I will see you next time.